If you're considering a move from Microsoft Dynamics GP to a new ERP and need an inventory solution, this short video introduces the options Panatrack offers to support your transition. Panatrack remains committed to supporting our PanatrackerGP solution for Dynamics GP indefinitely. There's no need to rush into an ERP migration. However, if you are starting the journey to make that change, we want to introduce you to PanatrackerST. First, let's review the architecture of PanatrackerGP. The solution was designed specifically for Dynamics GP. It is an alternate user interface on mobile devices to capture inventory transactions. Transactions are logged in Panatracker's logging database and then created in Dynamics GP. GP remains the central inventory database. Several years ago, we built PanatrackerST, an independent standalone item tracking system, not just another ERP add-on. You might wonder why we chose this direction, especially given the success of PanatrackerGP. Over the past 20 years, we continually enhanced PanatrackerGP to meet customer tracking needs. However, we often had to implement workarounds or build out extended functionality just to align inventory tracking with real-world operations and still remain within the limitations of the ERP. By removing those ERP constraints, we gained the freedom to design a smarter, more flexible inventory tracking system that truly reflects how inventory is managed in the real world. Let's first explore the PanatrackerST architecture. The system is a standalone inventory tracking solution and serves as the central inventory database instead of your ERP. Transactions are completed using the mobile app or desktop interface. Source data, such as purchase orders, can be synchronized to support receiving in PanatrackerST. Transactions with financial impact, such as receipts to support accounts payable, and adjustments or GL entries for final issue of inventory, can be sent back to the ERP when needed. Both systems are built with a mobile-first approach to streamline data capture, supporting barcode scanning for accuracy and efficiency. Since one system relies on the ERP for inventory management, while the other maintains its own inventory database, the steps for recording transactions differs between them. Transaction processing with the PanatrackerGP mobile app involves multiple steps. As the transaction is captured, it is first logged in the Panatracker portal. When the transaction is submitted, it is then created in Dynamics GP, where it must be posted before the inventory is officially updated. The shift to PanatrackerST as the central inventory database eliminates the need for interim logging and additional posting steps. Inventory is updated in real time with every item interaction. Transactions can be captured through either the mobile app or desktop interface, providing immediate visibility and ensuring an accurate reflection of inventory status. Now, let's explore some additional differences in how PanatrackerST manages inventory. In Dynamics GP, allocations applied to on-hand inventory often obscure the true physical state and availability of inventory. Many customers were often confused by how allocations worked and what the available and on-hand inventory statuses actually represented. With PanatrackerST, we reimagined statuses to be more transparent and actionable, making it easier for users to have visibility to the true state and location of their inventory at any given moment. We designed the system with multiple layers of tracking to provide clear, actionable visibility into the true state of inventory. We went beyond location by adding the ability to manage both custody and ownership, eliminating the need for complex or impractical workarounds. This also gave us the flexibility to track assets alongside inventory, using the same system and structure for a unified, consistent approach. We wanted to break away from the one-size-fits-all approach of item setup within an ERP and offer enhanced flexibility and configurable tracking options to fit a range of inventory management needs. We carried over many of the extended features in PanatrackerGP that we added to address inventory tracking gaps. We expanded on those capabilities to deliver a flexible and purpose-built solution without being constrained by limitations of any single ERP system. Since PanatrackerST operates autonomously, it removes the need for warehouse and stockroom teams to log into the ERP to access the inventory information to support their day-to-day operations. Platform versatility supports both Android and iOS mobile devices, Real-time updates ensure inventory changes are instantly reflected, delivering trusted, up-to-date visibility to inventory. Is PanatrackerST the right fit for you? Inventory features in the next ERP you select may be sufficient, but if you need or want a more adaptable and robust tracking solution, consider PanatrackerST. PanatrackerST supports a broader range of tracking requirements and delivers true real-time visibility. Its flexible design allows for data synchronization to maintain accurate financial records, regardless of which ERP you migrate to. PanatrackerST is a great fit for teams that manage inventory consumed internally, whether for jobs, projects, or internal departmental use. Organizations that have come to rely on PanatrackerGP's directed transfer infrastructure will gain enhanced control and visibility by upgrading to the expanded capabilities of this system. Consider PanatrackerST when the standard inventory features of your ERP fall short of your tracking needs. PanatrackerST is available through an annual subscription, which includes regular updates to ensure you always have access to the latest features and enhancements. You'll continue to work with the same dedicated success team you've come to rely on for both onboarding and ongoing support. If you're interested in learning more, we're happy to review your current workflows and help define a clear migration path to PanatrackerST. You don't even need to wait for your transition to a new ERP. We can migrate you now while you are still using Dynamics GP. Ready to learn more? You can find more information on our website. Contact us today to schedule a call to dive deeper into how PanatrackerST can meet your tracking needs.